paquets. So when I talk about doing paquets with your shake and spell orders or anything else that we're talking about, binding, protection, money, you can make a paquet. They're small, they're in, kind of discreet. And this one's a little bit thicker because I added some rosary peas. I wanted to put a curio in this one because this one's going in a charm bag. But basically you write your intention, any kind of paper, just small enough for you to write it all and fold it, not like a large sheet of paper. And the petition is written on the inside. Then I added the herbs on top, prayed over, spoke over it, enchanted, whatever you call it. And then you also get a charm with your order. So you can always use the charm that you got in your order, especially if it matches the intention that you specified in your order. If you don't want to use your charm, you don't have to. You can just seal it with wax, candle wax, wax melts, or tape it. If it's something to bind and protect, I use electric tape. And then I also write something else in those, not just the petition. But the rest of these are powders. Flaxseed is really good. This is for a child, so flaxseed is really good to protective spells for children. And the rest of the powders will go into the second one that I'm going to make. That will go between two mirrors. You know what that's all about. And this one is going in a charm bag with the mother.